Sometimes a single model just is not enough. Imagine asking one person for advice. You might get biased or incomplete answer. But if you ask a group of experts and combine their knowledge, you are more, let's say, likely to get the right solution. So that is the power of ensemble learning. Let's say it's called also the wisdom of crowd applied to the machine learning. So there are, let's see, two different steps. It's bagging and also boosting. So the bagging, as you can see here, the bagging models are trained in parallel, each one on different random subset of the data. So their predictors are then averaged or voted on. So the goal of this bagging is reduce variance and improve stability. So a great example of this algorithm for bagging is random forest. So random forest is ensemble and also bagging algorithms. So we have already discussed this in the last videos. And the next one is boosting. And you can see starting with one, let's see, models are trained sequentially. You can see classifiers. And each new model focuses on correcting the error of the previous one. The goal is to reduce the bias and make the overall prediction stronger. Example of this as like AdaBoost, adaptive boost, or XGBoost, extreme G boost. And the benefit of ensembling are, let's see, clear. So you can see improve the accuracy, reducing the overfitting, beta stabilities, and also handle complexity. And yeah, so just the key insight here, Ensemble combine multiple models to produce better prediction than any single model alone. By reducing errors and improving generalization, they also set benchmark in a in a machine learning competition and also in real world applications. So remember, machine learning, it's not just like in our life. Let's see. Sometimes the smart move is not to rely on one device, one voice or advice, but to trust the power of many. So I think that's it for today. If you have any question, just drop it down in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.